Welcome to our video on developing a rich mindset. The mindset you have towards money and success can greatly impact your financial future, and in this video, we'll be discussing the key principles and strategies for developing a mindset that leads to wealth and abundance. In this video, we will focus on the top 6 important steps you can take to develop a rich mindset. Number 1. Gain a surplus of resources. The first step in developing a rich mindset is to focus on gaining a surplus of resources. This means viewing money as something to be invested and grown, not just something to be spent. One way to do this is by creating a budget and sticking to it, and making sure that you are saving a portion of your income each month. Number 2. Invest in yourself and your future. A rich mindset understands that having a surplus of resources can be used to accelerate growth in areas such as education and business. This means investing in yourself and your future. This can be done by taking courses, attending workshops or seminars, or even starting a small business or side hustle. Number 3. Focus on long-term returns. A rich mindset is all about getting a flywheel spinning, building momentum and creating systems that continue to generate value long after the effort has been invested. This means focusing on long-term returns rather than short-term gains. One way to do this is by investing in stocks, real estate, or other long-term investments. Number 4. Cultivate relationships. A rich mindset seeks to build relationships based on trust, liking, shared values, and mutual respect. This means cultivating relationships with no expectation of anything in return. One way to do this is by networking and building a strong network of contacts who can offer advice, support, and opportunities. Number 5. Reputation is everything. A rich mindset understands that reputation is everything, and that trust and respect are earned slowly, through hard-fought, bloody effort. This means being mindful of your actions and how they may impact your reputation. Building a good reputation takes time, but it is essential for success in both your personal and professional life. This means always being honest and transparent in your dealings, and treating others with respect and kindness. It also means being accountable for your actions and taking responsibility for your mistakes. By building a strong reputation, you will attract more opportunities and be able to form valuable partnerships and collaborations. Number 6. Embrace failure. A rich mindset understands that failure is a natural part of the learning and growth process. Instead of fearing failure, they embrace it as an opportunity to learn, grow, and improve. This means taking calculated risks and being willing to fail in order to achieve success. They also understand that failure is not the end, but a stepping stone to success. In conclusion, developing a rich mindset is a continuous process that requires effort and dedication. By focusing on gaining a surplus of resources, investing in yourself and your future, focusing on long-term returns, cultivating relationships, and building a strong reputation, you can set yourself on the path to financial success. Remember to keep learning, stay disciplined, and be patient, as the road to wealth is not an easy one, but with the right mindset, you can achieve anything you set your mind to. Thank you for watching our video on developing a rich mindset. We hope you found this information valuable and informative. Remember to subscribe to our channel for more tips and strategies on achieving financial success. Don't forget to like and share this video with your friends and family. Thank you for your support.